Welcome to Browser Agents AI. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to now control your browser and literally do anything and everything that you do on your web browser and get things done a lot faster. Now imagine if you go to a website, you browse websites, you create an account, you log in, you grab data. Anything that you do manually, you use a software, you go here, you click this, you click that, you right click, you download, whatever you do, now AI can do it for you. All you have to do is give it instructions. So for example, BrowserAgent AI, the AI can go to Google Map lead scraping, scrape businesses listed on Google Maps with contact details listing in hours. It can collect LinkedIn profile by job titles, industry, and location, extract member names and profiles from Facebook group, scrape property from Zillow, refine realtor.com, extract reviewers name and reviewers details from a Google business profile. It can analyze top Instagram posts for hashtags and find related trending hashtags, like and reply to recent tweets about a topic, use a caption, and respect platform limits. It can extract listing from Craigslist by category, city, and search them, extract hotels or restaurants from TripAdvisor. Tons of things that you can imagine. It can track Google keyword ranking for your website. It can visit any lead website and draft personalized cold email. It can send personalized LinkedIn connection requests. It can do social media. It can create and post content for you. It can audit title tags, check broken links, do eBay complete comparison of the product, Shopify product comparison, and catalog scraper, analyzing Amazon product reviews, Amazon trending products finder, anything and everything that you can think of, it can do. Now, here's how BrowserAgent AI works. There are three things that you see on your dashboard: run a new mission, view all mission, and manage browser profiles. So let me first explain you what a mission is. A mission essentially is the task that you give the browser or the AI, browser AI, to do. So we go to mission and you click on create mission to create mission, or you could go to templates and pick from hundreds of pre-made job task missions that we have created that you can just use. So for example, we want to use one of the missions here. So let's go with the first one, the Google Map lead scraper. So it does Google Map lead scraper. Go to Google Map and search for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace business type to roofers in Orlando for each of the first 10 results. Collect business name, phone number, website, all these details. Save all results in a structured table. Now you can give it more tasks, like save all the results on a Google sheet, then analyze them and do this and that. So you can add more to it, but this is like a template, right? There's the URL where Google Maps is going to be. Now browser profile, essentially profile means you can add your login credentials. For example, if you're doing a Twitter task, you need the AI to log into a Twitter account. So you can create a profile with a username and password of Twitter account that the AI can use. And the output can be CSV or text, whatever you want. Now you can either run this mission right now, or you could schedule it to run daily, once, or weekly at a specific time and notify you when the task is completed, or if there's an error, or notify you by email. We want to run it right now, so I'm going to click on run mission now. Now this is what's going to happen. The AI will start computing and start running the mission for you, the task for you. And when it uses the browser, you'll be able to see that it's using the browser in the background here. Now, the way it uses browser is AI, BrowserAgent AI, has its own Chrome browser. So it's not using your desktop browser. So you are fully safe and secure. Like, it's not gonna touch anything on your browser. It has its own browser in its own environment. And as you can see, AI is doing all of that. It went to roofers in Orlando. It found all of that. You can see all the commands that's running on the right hand side here, and then all the data that's collected will show up here. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to do all the work and browse everything, and then once it's done, you can of course go back and replay this entire process where you see the browser going in and doing all the work and everything, and watch it live do all of that. And as you can see, the results are up here, and then you can see all these results saved in the results tab here as well, where you can just download them as the CSV file. As you select it says completed, you can download them. All the data is here. Now same way you can run all these missions, and it will do all of this. Now if you want to do something special that is not part of the template, you can just go to create mission, give it a name, my custom mission, and literally just describe what you wanted to go, like what you wanted to do, like go to AI calling software, and then you give it the URL, and then you create a profile. I'll show you how to do a profile. So you create a profile where you give it the login to AI calling software username and password, and you select that and you give it the login URL, and then just go to AI calling software and create a new outbound campaign by learning the software and setting up the AI calling agent. So it will just go out and do all of that, and you don't need to, it doesn't matter what you select here, because you can just like keep it text and you can schedule it at a specific time and all that stuff. So a lot of things you can do. Now we also have something called Mission Builder. What Mission Builder essentially does is you can daisy chain, let me just show you how it works. You can daisy chain multiple missions into one. So you can take one of the missions that is a email extractor, describe it, add it to the chain. Then you can add another based on if condition, and you can add that as well. So like you go into templates and you'll be like, okay, I want you to run the Google scraper first, and then want you to run LinkedIn's profile scraper. And then once you've done both of those, do an Instagram hashtag research, and then do a cold email approach one where you write personalized cold email approach. And then next one you go do a SERP position tracking, and then send all that email to me. So you create like this custom mission where you can mix match multiple missions, and based on results you can add if and else conditions as well. So you can go if and else branches as well. If the scraping is successful, do this. If the scraping is unsuccessful, do this. If you find more than 10 clients, do this. If you find less than 10 clients, do that. So you can do multiple of those chains. You can save the chain and run the chain as well. And this is where you create your browser profile. So it's very simple. You click on add profile, you give it the name of the profile, the URL of the profile, the username and password. So like facebook.com, Facebook, your username and password here. It's saved, it's encrypted, so it's not shared by anybody. Not even the browser or us can access the data, because it's encrypted by AES 256 encryption. And only when the browser accesses that profile, it automatically gets access to it without even AI accessing the username and password, because it's all done in the background. Now once your mission's completed, you can go here and you can view the mission, duplicate it, export it, rerun it, or delete it. If you want to do that, you can do all of these things. So this is how BrowserAgent AI works. Super easy, super powerful, and it is one of the easiest way to get work done. Like instead of you sitting and browsing website and doing all the research and manually posting content and writing content and stuff like that, you can now have browser do all of that. It can submit data, it can fill web forms in bulk, you can submit government public record, you can search government public record, you can do bulk directory submission, Google Search Console data viewing, sitemap extractors, a lot of things. Anything and everything that you can do manually on the browser, BrowserAgent AI will do it for you on automation on a regular basis if you want. And you get access to tons of these ready-made templates, and of course you can create your own mission, and then you can also create daisy chain missions based on if and else. Like if you want to build mission A that does this result, then do mission B, else do mission C, and things like that. So that's how BrowserAgent AI works. Super easy to use, super easy to get things done. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.